First time in a long time. It's morning. It's probably lunch right now. What time is it? About to, ooh, it's so bright. Ooh, the temperature difference fogging up my joint. All right. But here we are. About to head out to the pool. It's fogging up, y'all. Let's go back inside. Y'all, we just finished lunch at the buffet. Heading over to the pool. They're having a party, a Mexican party. It sounds like live music, and there's some food. So we're about to go check that out. You go, EJ and Miss Val. EJ, Miss Val.
Tortilla.
At the front. Just lounging by the pool. Trying to get my tan on. The sun is not tanning me like I want it to. I'm trying to be chocolatey. I'll probably notice it once I get back home. Y'all came back from the pool, eating some tacos, drinking some Merinda Sabor Naranja. See how this tastes. Ooh. Ow. Baby, open this for me. Miss Val said I got a tan. We're going out to dinner. We're going to the steakhouse tonight. It's called Rodeo.
Rodeo.
I call it Rodeo. So y'all can see my fit. Ooh, kill 'em.
You want something to drink? Something to drink?
It's giving pajamas. It's giving rich auntie vibes. It's giving vacation. It's giving what's supposed to I gave. I just put on some. I'm about to change these. I can't even put on the white one. This is a shirt, top set. I just tied the top up, you know, to give it a little more sexy look. Okay, y'all. Period. Period. All right. See y'all at dinner. Miss Val said got her losing some weight because we got her walking. She's slimming down. Poppy P gonna be all over.
Trust who? Trust me and I can set you free. If your man came straight to me, you a real MVP. Ride dirty like Pepsi. You a real 10-speed freak. You was everything to me. You was everything to me. I love. Why you keep that look for me? Left me down on bended knee. When I soak in the Maybach, don't know that ever make you take a backseat. Why you do that look to me? When you know that.
Getting back to the room for a little rest break. Oh man, yeah, nice and full.
Just Val to roll me back to the room. Where Ali at with the scooter.
My pants fit a little tighter.
I know. I'm supposed to be losing weight in Mexico. I'm finding it.
All right, y'all, we had our little rest break and we're making our way back out. We're gonna go see the Grease performance. And then what we're doing after that, I do not know. We're going to play it by ear. So yeah, it felt good to get a little bit of rest and not do anything. I was watching some YouTube videos. This lighting is giving. I need EJ to take a picture of me in my outfit. EJ took a good little nap. I was able to get some of that food up off me. I was stuffed. All right, see y'all at the show.
Don't talk that way, Sam.
But it's true.
Michael.
What is going on right now?